Handy Hudsonite here. Using a torque wrench is extremely important when it comes to projects, particularly projects on the car. The torque wrench is not an expensive tool. You can pick one up for anywhere between $20 and $40 and it will more than pay itself off for your own safety. Bolts on our cars, nuts and bolts on our cars have to be torqued down to the proper specifications in order for them to operate properly, especially for wheels. And be sure to check out my video on how to put on your wheel and torque it to the right specifications. Also, there are many different uses for this tool, and there are different sizes. There are smaller torque wrenches and larger ones. This particular torque wrench can go up to about 150 foot-pounds, which is more than adequate for a lot of jobs. There are some that require above that, but this is served useful for most of my projects. The easiest way to adjust it is you have to loosen this bottom nut, and then there's a scale on here. There's actually a scale in metric and then in foot-pounds, which is the glorious English system that we have here in the United States that hardly anyone else uses, but so we live by it. So there's the scale of the foot-pounds, and what you do is you twist this handle up to the amount of foot-pounds, and there's also a smaller scale here on the cylinder that you can get it down to the particular foot-pound that you need. So if I am tightening something to 50, oh, wrong scale. If I'm tightening something down to 40 foot-pounds, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it would line up just like that. And then when you're done getting it to the right specification, make sure to tighten this nut. And then when you're tightening, this acts like a ratchet. And when you're tightening and you get it to the right torque, it will actually, you'll feel and hear a click. And what I like to do is just have it click 2 or 3 times just to make sure that it's on that torque. Then when you're finished, loosen the nut, and I bring it back down to about 10 or 20 foot-pounds for storage. And don't forget to take your socket and store it in the right place. So that's how you use a socket wrench. For more tips, hacks, and reviews, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you can get content right as it comes out. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.